2 minutes.
Nej, op, hvornår kan man se den anden side af ryggen?
Bare jeg har ikke lige en mulighed og tid til at svare på det spørgsmål.
Now 13 C. 13 degrees C. Yeah.
Wow.
Mom, look at me.
Leave it to some kids.
Oh, there's the shadow.
Where?
There.
I don't see shit.
You can see that mountain is dark.
Oh, well, yeah. Is the shadow that big, eh? I was
shadow
thinking it's like a dot on the ground.
The shadow is 130 kilometers wide.
Okay. Well, look at the lights out on the mountainside.
Looks like mirrors. Oh, it's so dark.
Goodbye, son.
Goodbye, son.
Oh, it just all gets so dark. So
There's Venus. Up there to the right.
Gone! Yeah, look at that! Fuck the camera, man, it doesn't work.
Wow.
Holy shit, that is so cool.
This is just awesome.
You want to use the camera to take a photo of you? My camera doesn't, it still shows a white dot.
Oh my goodness.
I'm freezing. It totally feels like it just stopped moving, kind of, you know?
Yeah. Selfie, Mike, please.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. Your drone's going off. What's that?
Your drone's done, dude.
Oh, shit. Yeah, we'll find it. Mike, picture?
Yep.
Starting to come through.
Yeah, here comes the sun again.
Oh, it's slowly turning light.
Det var fantastisk.
Whoa, it looks so weird outside. Guys, look at the shadows on the grass. I can only see
That was just perfect.
Det er det flotteste, vi har set.
Ja.
Den corona der.